3. Good morning, students. I'm going to do my best to try and show you this morning how to access everything from the school's homepage. So if you hang on with us 1 second, my sister's going to hand me back the phone. All right, so here's Miss Polacco's computer. I'm going to go down here to Google Chrome and I'm going to click it. If it feels like cooperating, it'll pull up the website. So I'm going to go to www.kingstoncityschools.org. It's going to pull up our school homepage. Now you can click students, and down here you can click Clever, and it's a log on guide for you if you get lost. You can also go up to students and click Microsoft Office 365/email and click on that, and it'll ask you to sign in. So it's your student number at KingstonCitySchools.org. And then your password. It's the same password you use to get on the computer, at school. I was trying to type my password in. I always click yes if it's my own personal computer. If you're sharing with a sibling, click no. And this will take me to Office 365, and from there I can get on Outlook, which is your email. OneDrive has your files, Word to do any documents, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, which is very important, and that's where everything's going to be posted. So if I click Teams, it's going to bring Miss Polacco to her login. And I can see all of my classes when it does load. Oh, sorry, it came up in my chats. And I can have my activity here. It shows me what happens. Chat is where you can chat with us. If you look, yesterday I was talking to Marco and Chase and JJ and Heavenly and Dylan. Teams is where you'll have all of your teams. So I have English purple, English green, reading purple, social studies green, and social studies purple. And team comments is so you can talk to everybody within the team, all of the students, anyone like Miss Lord or Mr. Zito or Mr. Shane, Miss Feeney now, I'm sorry. Miss Deering is in there. And any other people that we would have contact with, like Miss Ruza for speech or Mr. Delahant. If I click on English Purple, I have Virtual Learning Week 1. That's where I've posted the attendance for you guys to fill out and take when you get here. And then in the general has your assignments. It'll take a little bit to load. I've only loaded 2 for English so far. Your spring census writing, which some of you have done. And I know you're having difficulty with it, so if you just look at it and do your writing in a Word document and send that to me, that's acceptable. And then reading your AR book, and there's a choice board here, and you have to complete 9 of the 12 things on the choice board. Also, I'm going to go back over here to the home page. I'm going to click home, and I'm going to scroll down to quick links, and it's the 7th one down, Clever Login. I'm going to click Kingston City School District email network account. It's going to log me in because I just logged into my email. See, it says, welcome back, Mary Elizabeth. I don't want to recommend Clever right now. And here I can click Brain Pop. And I can also Renaissance Learning for my AR quizzes. Newsella. There's an Office 365 link here. And IXL, which is important for math. All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or send me a message in Teams. I'm going to do a couple more videos for you guys today. Bye.